informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air One. Worship now. The Emergency Alert System. This has been a test of the Emergency Alert System, designed to keep you informed of national, state, and local emergencies. Air One. Worship now.
Air One.
This is a test of the Emergency Alert System. This is only a test.
The civil authorities have issued a required weekly test for all of Alabama, all of Arkansas, all of Iowa, all of Illinois, all of Kansas, all of Louisiana, all of Minnesota, all of Missouri, all of Mississippi, all of North Dakota, all of Nebraska, all of Oklahoma, all of South Dakota, all of Tennessee, all of Texas, and all of Wisconsin beginning at 11 a.m. and ending at 12 p.m. Test message EPAUSE open cap EAS feed configuration test message.